Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are doing well and you have finished your previous tasks, right? Okay students, in today's lesson we will discuss the topic of proper and improper fractions. This topic is on page number 56 of your booklets. Open your booklets so you can easily understand the topic with me, right? Okay. We have learned in our previous lessons that a fraction is a part of a whole, and in a fraction the number above the line is called the numerator and the number below the line is called the denominator. Now we will discuss what is a proper fraction and what is an improper fraction. A proper fraction is a fraction in which the numerator is smaller than the denominator, in which numerator is smaller than the denominator, right? For example, you can see in 3 over 5, 3 is smaller than 5. In 4 over 9, 4 is smaller than 9. In 4 over 5, 4 is smaller than 5. In 11 over 13, 11 is smaller than 13. So all these four fractions are called proper fractions. A fraction in which the numerator is smaller than the denominator is called proper fraction, right? Okay, the next one is an improper fraction. An improper fraction is a fraction in which the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. For example, you can see in 5 over 5, 5 is equal to 5. In 7 over 4, 7 is greater than 4. In 13 over 10, 13 is greater than 10. In 6 over 5, 6 is greater than 5. So, if your numerator is greater or equal to the denominator, if your numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator, then your fraction is called an improper fraction. Understood? I am repeating again. A proper fraction is a fraction in which your numerator is smaller than your denominator, and a fraction in which your numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. This fraction is called improper fraction, right? Next see what are like and unlike fractions. Students, if we compare two fractions or more than two fractions, then we have to decide whether we have like or unlike fractions, right? Okay. If you will see these two fractions, 4 over 8 and 3 over 8, you can see both of these have same denominators. Both of these have same denominators. And 4 over 10, 1 over 10. Both of these have same denominators. 1 over 6 and 3 over 6. Both of them have same denominators, right? What we have observed that we have same denominators in every pair, right? In the first pair we have denominator 8, in second pair we have denominator 10, and in third pair we have denominator 6. So in each pair you have same denominator. The fractions in which your denominators are same, these are called the like fractions. These are called the like fractions. So 1 over 6 and 3 over 6, these are like fractions, right? So fractions with the same denominators are called like fractions. Now you have two more pairs, 1 over 2 and 1 over 3, 2 over 5 and 2 over 7. Here you can see the numerators are same, right? In each pair your numerators are same but your denominators are different, right? In the above you can see the numerators were different but the denominators were same. In these two pairs you can see the numerators are same but the denominators are different. If you have same denominators, you can call these two fractions like fractions. But if your denominators are different, these pairs are called unlike fractions. Fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions, right? Fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions. If your numerators are same, it doesn't matter. Your like and unlike fractions always depend on your denominators. If you have same denominators, you have like fractions. If you have different denominators, you have unlike fractions, right? So what we have learnt in today's lesson, a fraction in which the numerator is smaller than the denominator is called proper fraction. A fraction in which numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator is called improper fraction. Two fractions are called like fractions if they have same denominators. Two fractions are called unlike fractions if they have different denominators, right? Understood? Revise this topic, watch the video 2 or 3 times and memorize these definitions properly, right? Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.